In this video, we will be looking at reviewing multiplying some multi-digit numbers. So I'll do the front with you and then you can do the back on your own. So 74 times 24. So we're going to multiply the ones place first. 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to write the 6 here, carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Now I'm going to multiply the tens place. I'm actually multiplying 20 because this is in the tens place, so I'm going to put my placeholder 0 here. 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 7 is 14. Now I'm going to add these two numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. And then we just have a 1. I'm going to make sure I add my comma. Okay, 2,371 times 46. So first I'm going to multiply my ones place. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. So I'm going to write the 2 here, carry the 4. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Carry the 2 again. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. I'm gonna cross these off before I go over to my tens place. I'll add that placeholder 0 because I'm multiplying 40, not just 4. As I multiply this, it's very important that I line my numbers up so I don't get messed up when I add, but I want to make sure I line the place values of the numbers up. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. I'm going to add these up. 6 plus 0. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 9. And 1 plus 9 is 10. Now I'm going to put in my commas. So 3 places over and a comma. Number 3, a bakery bakes 328 cupcakes a day. How many cupcakes do they bake in a 30-day month? So per day, they make 328, and there's 30 days. So I'm going to multiply this. 0 times anything is 0, so I'm going to have zeros across here. So as I go to multiply my 3 in the tens place, I'm going to put the placeholder 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. And 3 times 3 is 9. So of course, when I add this, 9,840. So notice this step was kind of unnecessary since I had a 0 here. I could just put in my 0 and then multiply the other digits. Let's try this over here. A car plant makes 5,667 trucks a day. How many trucks do they make in 90 days? So I'm going to multiply that by 90. This time I'm not going to write these zeros here because it's kind of unnecessary. I'm just going to put my placeholder 0 and now go ahead and multiply my tens place. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 6 is 60. Carry the 6. Again, 9 times 6 is 54 plus 6 is 60, so I'm going to carry this 6 again. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 6 is 51. And I kind of wrote that kind of funny, so I'm going to rewrite it so it's written correctly. 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, number 5. There is a mistake in this problem. Identify the mistake and explain a possible reason for the mistake. So let's just kind of go through here and see what the mistake might be. So 4 times 4, I put a 5 here. So that's not right. I'm going to underline that. And 4 times 4 would be 16. So this should be a 6, and they would carry the 1. And then 4 times 7 is 28. So that should be 29. So we can see that the mistake was they made a mistake in their multiplying from the very beginning. So a reason for the mistake would simply be they multiplied wrong. Let me know if you have any questions on page 8.